Hello dear students, today in social we will continue our explanation. For that I am just going to read out this image and then I'll start explaining, and for your betterment I have already drawn one circle here. See, it is written here, look how to locate place on earth. So a globe have an axle that helps it to spin. The earth also spins on an imaginary axle which is known as the axis of the earth. The two ends of the earth axis are known as poles. The point at the top is known as North Pole and at the point at the bottom is known as South Pole. The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves known as hemispheres. The half of the above the equator line is called northern hemisphere and the half below the equator line is called the southern hemisphere. A globe or map has number of lines drawn on it. In reality, there are no lines that help us to find out the absolute location of a place on the earth. So now let me start explaining. See student, firstly let me tell you that, for example, we take it as a earth. This diagram we will take it as a earth. So in reality there are no such lines on earth. All the lines that we are talking about, whether it is a axis or it is a equator or it is a prime meridian or longitudes and latitudes, they all are imaginary lines which we have known for our betterment and for our convenience. Now see, they are saying that in the as you have seen a globe, तो आपने देखा होगा कि जो ग्लोब है वो रोटेट करता है एक एक्सल पे, ओके, और वो एक्सल की तरह ही जो हमारी अर्थ है वो रोटेट करती है एक्सिस पे, like this. But in reality there is no such line on which the earth rotates. It is an imaginary line, but you can see that this line you can take it as axis of the earth. Now secondly, what happens to it? Now see what are the important lines of it. See, at the top part here, this is your North Pole and the degree of it is 90 degree. Same as it is below here, it is your South Pole and the degree is 90. Clear? Now they are talking about that the pole above the equator line is called North Pole and the pole below the equator line, it is a South Pole. But now here's the question, what is a equator line? See, equator is a word that comes from equal, and equal का मतलब होता है equally divide करना. So with the help of this I'm not able to take the margin, but I'll just show you how you need to do. Oops, sorry, not working properly. Leave it, I'll just show you with my hand. So just suppose this is the equator line which divides the earth into two halves. The first half is this and the second half is this. So this is your equator line और जिसकी डिग्री होती है 0. क्लियर? अब जो के पार्ट इक्वेटर से ऊपर है उसको हम नॉर्थ पोल के पास है, तो इसलिए हम उसे कहते हैं नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. एंड क्योंकि ये पार्ट इक्वेटर लाइन के नीचे है, साउथ पोल के पास है, मतलब इक्वेटर लाइन से साउथ पोल के बीच में है, इसलिए हम इसको बोलते हैं सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर.